Hiya, I'm just heading towards the Metropole here, as you can see just in front of me. And I'm wondering, like I said on the previous video, a lot of people were saying about the air raid shelter, the bunker at the Metropole or near the cenotaph. I'm just going to go and have a look now. I'm just walking into town actually, and but while I'm here, go and have a look. Sorry about the wind noise yet again. Absolutely nothing I can do about it. So I'm wondering whereabouts it is. Well, a lot have said definitely the air raid shelter there, the Metropole. But like I've said again, it does tie in with that I've been told about the tunnel going from the Winter Gardens to the Ibis Hotel. A lot have said about that. At least a couple of three people that's worked at the Ibis said that there's doors, metal doors all blocking off the tunnel going from the Ibis to here, to the Metropole cenotaph area. There's got to be some truth in this somewhere. I'm not saying those commentating a lie, I'm just saying, you know, there's got to be a tunnel somewhere, hasn't there? Has to be. But where? Is it where these old... Let's have a look. I mean, this was all extended, wasn't it? So down the lower drop there, that was all extended. I've got pictures of that. I should put these pictures on when I keep saying I've got pictures of it being extended and that. So I wouldn't thought it'd be down that end, it's got to be here. Now, I presume that green door there. Let's have a look. Without pressing the phone off. Just on the phone back, so I'm trying to do a bit of shooting. See that there? I presume that's just electricity, is it, and what have you, and what would have been the old boilers and what have you for the Metropole. Would that lead somewhere else? Does anybody know? Golf here, that's charity, this is, by the way, it's run by charity, the homeless, I believe. Correct me if I'm wrong. Once again, if I say anything I'm wrong, just let me know. But I believe it's for the homeless, so hopefully, you know, they've done it up nicely. Come next summer, next season, hopefully it'll be getting busy, and it's staffed by the previous homeless as well, apparently, so that'll be good if that gets done. Now, let's walk around here, let's have a look. See here where I'm getting to now, before I walk into that pole, I've done it more once. Here, these used to have some seating on these. Then, you know, it's like people started hanging around and what have you at night. I'm trying to get out that window a little bit. So you see where I am, you've got doors here. I'm literally underneath the Metropole now. Well, you know. That's low, is that ceiling? God, with bad ears. Could you got down from here then? Is that what people are thinking from here, somewhere around here? Comment, will you, and let me know. Yeah, it's a substation, it's the electricity substation here. Right, but could it have been anything else at one time? You can get down somewhere there. You don't know, do you? Let's have a look around here a little bit. I'm thinking this is where people are meeting, where this air raid shelter could be, because so many said about it, it's got to be fact. I think I know of one in Stanley Park as well. Well, we used to say there was one in Stanley Park. And then there's a pillbox at the back of Stanley Park as well, you know, in the... Did they call it the Zoological Gardens next to the zoo, if anybody knows of that one? We used to hang around there when we were kids. Not as though we were wagging it from school, like, but... Yeah, the pillbox there. I'm sure if you're from Blackpool, you know where I mean. So let's have a walk round here. I mean, then it makes you wonder as well, doesn't it, where the cenotaph's actually built. You know how it's sunken. Could there have been something this side? But see all these here where... Oh, sorry, it's getting really, really blowy now. Then you've got, so this is the car park, isn't it, above, just there, you know, above, you know, the rail, whatever you want to call, balustrade, whatever you want to call that. And you've got another old door here, haven't you? The key to that's been lost donkeys years ago, hasn't it? It's a more modern key, actually, isn't it? So, is this where people are thinking? Is this where the air raid shelter is? See, there's the abyss there, just there. See the abyss, ibis? That's there. And those that's worked there have said definitely there's a tunnel going from there to here. And then there's the tunnel going from the abyss to the tower, or vice versa, tower to the abyss to here. So it does tie in that air raid shelter could have once been part of the tunnel system. And then obviously, you know, like they use the underground and what have you in London as air raid shelters, if you want to call it that. Why not? So, yeah, I can't think where else it could be, to be honest. If people could point out, and I'll come back down and do another video. Well, I was just walking in a town and I thought, whilst I'm walking past, let's have a look. But yeah, you can see how it's on a bit of a... It does go down here, doesn't it, at the cenotaph, obviously. Where else could it be? There's that door there we just looked at. Anyway, please comment. Let's find out where this air raid shelter is, and I'll come back and, you know, do another check for you. Even if you live away or live in Blackpool, wherever, please comment. Let's have a find out. It's all good fun. But thanks for watching. Thanks for liking and subscribing. If you haven't just yet, please do. Just press that like button, and don't forget the bell button, because that'll give you notifications when I do put a new, sorry, fingers in the way, a new video on for you, any news in Blackpool or anything along those lines. Thanks very much for watching, and most of all, have a cracking day. Bye now.